Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. It's June 6th and Wednesday, and the markets overnight were higher. Beans up 14 cents, corn up about 6, wheat up about 4 cents. The dollar was lower overnight. Most commodities were higher in hopes that Europe could come to some kind of agreement on their debt issue. We had some news out of Europe, though, that basically was disappointing. The dollar is starting to rally, and some commodity prices, especially crude, are coming off their highs. The weather this time of year is very important. It's going to be a dry week in the Midwest this week. This week's crop ratings had about half the crop rated better than last year for both corn and beans, half the crop rated below. So the southern half of the United States could use the rain on their spring crops. The forecast is dry this week. Next week, the maps hint of rain. The following week looks like a wet week. So in general, that would be a bearish forecast if realized. We are getting into a situation where it's critical that crops are rated improved ratings and that we get the weather. And so in general, this could be a little negative to corn prices if we get this kind of weather. As far as the beans are concerned, Brazilian, South America meal prices have improved. We are now a discount, and we could get some business out of that, and that could help the bean market, especially if U.S. carryouts remain tight. I was at a conference these last 2 days for over 700 representatives of food companies around the world who buy things like flour and sugar. The bottom line that they heard from all the speakers was the economy, world economy, is still the most critical factor for commodity prices, then weather, and then demand. Demand still looks good. We'll have to see what happens in the weather market, and we'll have to see what happens to the economy. So again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and I hope you have a safe and profitable trading day.